To begin setting up online account access, first install the MSUFCU Mobile app. For this first time signing in, enter the base account number in the username field. In the password field, enter the temporary password provided by MSUFCU. If you do not yet have a temporary password for your account, please reach out to us for further support. Once the username and password are entered, tap Sign In. Tap Enroll now to continue. The app will display the names of the members on the account being accessed. Select your name from the listed options, which will cause a check mark to appear next to it. Enter the last 4 digits of your social security number or taxpayer identification number, then tap Continue. If you do not have a social security number or taxpayer identification number, you will not be able to complete enrollment in the MSUFCU mobile app. Please visit www.msufcu.org to set up account access instead. The username is not case-sensitive, but must be at least 8 characters long and contain no special characters. As you are creating a username, you can tap the info icon to review the requirements and ensure they are met with the username of your choosing. You can also select one of the suggested usernames listed below. Once a username has been entered or selected, press Continue. The next screen will ask that you select 3 security questions. Tap any of the spaces labeled Select Your Security Question to display a list of available options, then tap a question to select it. Repeat this step 3 more times so that all 3 questions are selected. Answer all 3 questions, and then tap Continue. Next, a screen will ask how often you would like to be prompted to enter a 2-factor authentication code during login. Select one of the 2 presented options. Below that, select how often you would like to answer a security question during login. Once both selections have been made, press Continue. Next, you will be prompted to enter a current password. The current password is the temporary password provided by MSUFCU. Below the current password field, type the new password you wish to use, then retype the same new password. You can tap the info icon to review the password requirements and ensure they are met with the password of your choosing. Once your new password meets the shown requirements, and the password and retype password fields match, tap Continue. A confirmation screen will display that enrollment has been completed successfully. You can wait a few seconds to automatically go to the account summary, or tap Continuing to Account Summary to proceed. As this is your first time signing into the account, you will be asked to confirm if the contact information on file is still correct. If the shown information is correct, scroll down and tap This information is correct. If the information is not correct, tapping on any field will allow you to edit the information, and then tapping This information is correct will save those changes. Once the contact information has been confirmed, the account summary will be displayed. Going forward, a member will want to use their newly established username and password they set up when signing in to Computerline or the mobile app. As always, members can contact us for further support.